Alright friends, now we are at the startsWith method. The startsWith method is used to check how a string begins. You can check if a string starts with a specific sequence of characters. So let's use it. Inside the println, I delete this and then I use startsWith function. So this method returns true or false based on the match at the start. So if I say Java, you see it match. So if I run it, it returns true and true appears on the screen. But if I add one more element that doesn't match, you see I save it and I run it, false returns back. Even a small difference will make the result false. Okay, that's easy to apply. See you in the next lesson.